take a look at the Incredible Hulk Heli ball. I got it at Five Below for $5. Now it says it's indoors, okay, like most of these things. But here's the problem I found with them, is that they go up higher than the ceiling. Okay, some of these things will go up pretty high, so they'll hit the ceiling and crash. So you can take these out on non-windy days also, just to see how they act. It's one of them deals, you know, you rub your hand under it and it does what it does. You know what I mean? So let's take it off and see what happens. Well, there you see what happens. Now, when you saw it go up in the air right there, that was higher than the ceiling in most houses. Okay, and this is one of them, you shut it back off to rebind it, you know, to reset the brain on it. Now, there's a little bit of wind, but not much, so. But it's just one of these things, if you don't get up under it right away, it's going to take off on you. You know, you just have to chase it around. It's just one of them deals. It flies pretty good, actually, but you have to stay on it. If you don't stay on it, if you can't keep it in sight, it's going to flop away on you. So you just got to remember, I mean, whose house is going to be that big to where you were standing here and I took off way over there? I mean, whose living room is that going to be? That's 35 feet over that far away, okay? So flying this in the house is not going to be really that much of an option because it's going to constantly be crashing into the walls and hitting the ceiling. So that's going to be your big issue. You're most likely better to do this in the backyard. I'll put the flight time in when it's done. It'll peter out soon. These things usually don't last that long. I'm losing it in the sun. See how high that is right there? There's no way in hell anybody's house has a ceiling that high. Okay? No way in hell. So, let's just try to run the battery out. I think the battery's getting ready to crap out now. But hey, I'm satisfied with it for flight time. Flight time was good on it. Yeah, you can feel it's losing the power. It won't be long. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that miraculous save with my foot? And in between the legs? Okay, it's chasing old poor True Drone Reviews around. I can't keep up with it no more. There, it found a wall. That's good. It's not getting the altitude, so the battery's crapping out. And so am I, by the way. My old ass can't keep up with the Incredible Hulk. Alright, guys. That was the Incredible Hulk Heli ball. Yeah, it's worth $5. What the hell? Kids will eat it up. Go get yourself one. For the kiddies.